Hi, a retired couple plans to supplement their Social Security interest. This is the same problem that another student sent me a link to, so I'm going to go ahead and just do that one in this link. So the numbers, Courtney, that you sent me are going to be a little bit different, but I think it's the exact same problem. So a retired couple plans to supplement their Social Security with interest earned by, and in this problem, they are investing $140,000 in a retirement fund. If the fund compounds interest monthly at an APR of 7.2%, which the couple takes out and spends, how much interest is generated each month? Okay, so they'll get their Social Security money, but let's say they have this $140,000. They want to just invest that amount of money, and they want to take out the interest every month buy stuff, right? Let's say, okay? When Courtney sent me this PDF, it looks like that is how my math lab will walk you through this problem. So I know you guys have access to that. That's great. So I want to see something different. I want to see if I can do this using an Excel calculator because Excel has all those formulas saved in here. So I don't have to really memorize it. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this formula. So let me explain what I'm thinking about the first part. This couple, they're not going to touch their principal. They want to keep that $140,000 in the account, okay? What they want to do is they want to live off the interest or supplement their income with the interest from that original investment. So, when they pass, that $140,000 will still be in the account for whoever. But so we're not dividing this $140,000 by, however many years that they are going to live or by 12. What we're going to have to find out is how much money will this investment generate in a year, in 1 year? And I'm going to divide that by 12 because they want to take out monthly payment. They want to take out money every month, right? So see if this makes sense. I'm going to find the ending amount. I'm like how much money they will have after 1 year of investing $140,000, and I'm gonna simply divide that by 12. Okay, so if you did, I think you guys did this Excel activity. Okay, I'm gonna use the future value function because future value calculates the amount of money that we will have in an account after an investment period. So take a look at what I'm doing. I'm just clicking on any cell, type in equal sign, negative, FV. We notice that if you don't put a negative sign in front of the future value or present value function, the answer comes out to be negative. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in a negative in front of it, but you'll still get the same number. Okay, it's just going to be negative. So negative FV parenthesis. The first one they want is the rate. Now in this problem, the APR is 7.2%, but remember to divide that by 12 because we're talking about monthly compounding. And then comma, and per is asking for the number of compounding period. Guys, what I'm trying to find out is how much money this couple will have after 1 year. And in 1 year, there are 12 months. So I'm going to type in 12 for my second input. There are 12 months in 1 year period. Okay. Payment. So they're asking for the payment for the third input. This couple is not planning on putting money every month, right? They're planning on taking out money every month. So type in 0. They're not going to make any additional monthly payment. But the present value, how much do they have today? 140,000. 140,000. And then if you hit enter, what you are going to see is how much this couple will have after 1 year of investment. So that is how much they will have. They started with 140,000. They have a little over 150,000 now. So what I'm now doing is I'm trying to figure out how much money they made in a year. So I'm clicking on the ending amount minus the starting amount. And then that is how much they made in 1 year of investment. Okay, so $10,000, $10,419.38 is how much they made in 1 year. Now, but this couple is interested in taking out monthly payment, right? Which the couple takes out and spends. So what I'm going to do is I just have to divide this yearly amount by 12 to figure out how much money they will get each month. I think this problem was asking you to round to a nearest whole number. So my final answer will be they will have $868 extra dollars to spend to supplement their Social Security income. So 868 will be my answer. 868. All right. Next one is asking, suppose that APR drops to 4.8%. Uh-oh. So if the bank or whoever is not giving them a higher interest, their monthly payment will be lower. They were doing good with extra $868. But if the APR drops down to 4.8%, and look at what I'm doing here. All I am changing is changing that original APR to 4.8%. That comes out to be, now they're only going to have $572. So that's going to be my answer, 572. Oh, okay. I think sometimes, I wish my math lab has a bigger margin of error. So if one answer fails, let me take a look at the actual value, okay? So this number was actually, hold on, $572.50. So I should probably round that up. So if this happens on your quiz or your test, you let me know. I'll go and manually fix your grade. But for the homework, we do have, options to try the second time. They said my answer was wrong when I said $572. So the next time, I'm going to try to round that up and tell them $573. Let's give this couple extra $1. Yep, that's what they wanted. So if you, after taking a quiz or a test, as you review these answers and you're like, I was just $1 away or 1 cent away. If you want me to go back and review your answer, I can manually add points back to you, okay? All right, last one, estimate the APR needed. Oh, now this couple is now planning to shop around because, if I were them, I want to get the more money I want, like as much money as I can every month. Okay, so I'm gonna shop around to find a place that will offer me the highest interest rate. So this couple has a goal. They want to generate $1,100 each month in interest. Now that's even higher than what they were originally getting with 7.2%. So I know the APR has to be higher, okay, in order to make more money, like 1,100. So, I think I'm going to try to do this by guess and check, okay, or just try and error. 7.2% only gave them 868. So I know I have to go up on the interest amount. So let's go and make that maybe 8%. If the interest is 8%, will this couple have enough money? No. If the interest was 8%, this couple will only have $968.30. So I know the APR has to be higher. How about 8.5%? Oh, getting there, right? Because this couple wanted $1,100. I'm getting close there. So how about I change that to 8.8%? Oh, I just need to go up a little bit more, right? I'm $69. I need to go up to $100. So how about 8.9? Almost there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just type in 9%. How about 9%? It's almost there. How about 9.1%? Oh, after 9.1%, I am over. See, 9% got me $1,094. But when I did 9.1%, I got $1,107. So I don't know. I can try to just be accurate as possible. So if I just type in some random decimals, guys, I found out that I can get as close as I can by just typing some random decimals, you see. But I think I'm pretty close. I was able to just guess and check, just plug and chug some random APRs. And when I was around 9.045%, I was able to get them $1,100.10. I think that's pretty good. So I will say that my answer is 9.045%. Let's see how they wanted us to round this. Do not round until final answer. Round to the nearest 10th as possible. So I will just tell them they will need 9.0%. And that is the answer. And now, my method that I just showed you in this video, it was really using Excel formula, okay? You had to know about the future value formula And then once I set it up, I was able to use this little calculator, this little function that I typed up, very easily to answer A, B, and C. Now, what Courtney sent me, and this is great, and if you click on help me solve this, this is the step that they will take you, okay? Which I think is great. It's more mathy way, right? But if you have access to that method already, I just wanted to show you something a little different in this video. So hopefully this was helpful. I'll go ahead and post this video. I'll actually just process it and send it to you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions, and definitely if you're taking a quiz or a test, and if you missed it by a rounding issue, your answer was really close, just let me know. I will make sure to go and manually add points for you, okay?